Today we're featuring a 2010 Honda Accord EXL. Alright, it's got 51,000 miles on it. It's got a clean CARFAX One-Owner. Alright, it's like this really gold beige metallic. Alright, I'll go ahead and walk around the vehicle with you. Start here on the driver's side. Alright, it is equipped with a sunroof. The driver's side of the vehicle is in good shape. Rear of the vehicle looks good. Make our way down the passenger side. Everything seems to be in really good shape. It's a 2010 with only 51,000 miles on it. Alright, it's a CARFAX One-Owner. It's a clean CARFAX. They got it marked down to 12.8. Alright, it's a great price for this car. It's actually in really good shape. Alright, got the two-tone door panels, power locks, power mirrors, power windows. Alright, it's got the tan leather power driver's seat. Leather's in good shape. Alright, no problem there. It does have the keyless entry key fob. Okay. Center console, you've got your power outlet and auxiliary plug there. Alright. Passenger seat, the leather's in good shape. No problem there. It does have the sunroof. Like I said earlier, I'll give you another shot of from inside here. Okay. It is an automatic. It does have your heated seats. Alright, 6-disc CD changer, dual climate controls. Alright, and then your AM/FM stereo display will be right there. Leather wrapped steering wheel audio controls, and Bluetooth. Let's go ahead and take a look at the mileage. Alright, it's got 51,309 miles on it. And really the only thing that I've seen on this car so far is, I don't know if you have trouble picking it up, but it's got a little crack right here. Alright, in the plastic on the dash right there. I don't know if I move the camera around, you'll be able to pick that up. It's really minor. Okay, but that's really the only thing bad I see on the car, and it is a 2010. Alright, with 51,000 miles on it. So you're expected to have a scratcher, you know, here and there, but man, this car is in great shape. Alright, here's your display for the climate controls and the AM/FM stereo. Alright. And like I said, I don't even know if I told you the mileage or not, but it's got 51,309 miles on it. Everything, AC is already blowing nice and cold, no problems there. Let's go ahead and take a look in the back seat. Door panels look good. Back seat leather is in good shape. A little small stain right here on the seat belt. Okay, but other than that, everything is in really good shape. Leather looks good. It's got the center console that comes down. Got the cup holders there, and then it also has access to the trunk. Let's go ahead and take a look at the driver's eye view, the dash and the layout. Alright, let's take a look in the trunk. Carpet back here is in good shape. I'll kind of stand to the side so you can see the depth of just how much space you get back here. A ton of storage room. Let's take a look at the wheels and tires. Size, we got 17-inch alloys. Alright, brand new set of tires. Plenty of tread left on them there. Alright, once again, guys, it's a 2010 with only 51,000 miles on it. Clean CARFAX One-Owner. This thing's in great shape. Make a really good car for somebody. It's marked down to $12,800 bucks. Come down, check it out, take a test drive, and thanks for watching the video.